contacts to Flodesk. So to get started, you have to open any of your browser and then log into Flodesk. So you have to search flodesk.com. Then from right there, you could just have to sign into your account. And then once you're there, you just have to go click on audience right on the right side. And then from click on audience, you have to go to all subscribers and then go to add subscribers. On the right hand side, click the add subscribers right here, and then from there you just have to choose your method. You can manually add a contact or upload a CSV file, and then from there you just have to input all your necessary details from email to first name, last name, and lastly is add a segment. So you have to assign your contact for a segment for letter organization, then click add to complete. So that's it. That's how you add contacts to Flodesk.